Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I put a poll on Instagram asking if I should do the makeup products that I use for a full day or the makeup brushes that I use while doing my makeup while doing my makeup. Sorry. So most of y'all voted that y'all want makeup products. So here I am doing a video on all the makeup products that I use to create a full face makeup look. So the first product that I use is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. So what a primer technically does is it makes your makeup last longer. It gives a very good canvas for your makeup to put on. So when you put the primer before your makeup, it blurs out all those small pores that you have open. It blurs all of those pores and then you can put your makeup. So it sits really well. And when you're going out and traveling and sweating, your makeup still stays intact when you use a primer. So I highly recommend primers. For the people who have not been using primers, you all should really try. It's a very good primer and it is really affordable. So this is the second product. It's the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I have been using this foundation for almost a year now. This foundation is a medium coverage foundation, but you can build it up for a full coverage foundation. And the best part is it does not get cakey. It gives a very even look to your whole face. So if you have a lot of imperfections, then if you want to build it to a full coverage, it does happen. Like you can build it to a full coverage. And I'm in the shade 05 Nude Delight. So if you're just starting out with makeup, I highly recommend you to try this out. So if you want options for a BB cream, then this is the BB cream I used to use like I think a year back. I still sometimes use it when I don't need too much coverage. I just use the BB cream, no foundation, no concealer. But I still use the primer. So primer is really necessary. Then I put this BB cream. It's the Pond's BB cream and it's in the shade 01 Original. I don't think they have too many shades, but this one works for me. You can try this out too. So the fourth product is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. So firstly, this concealer has so many shades and even in different colors. So it's used for color correcting too. It has a lot of shades, so you can even use a darker shade to contour your face. And this concealer really helps to hide the dark circles. You have to go and choose the right shade. After choosing the right shade, this concealer does an outstanding job. It covers your dark circles, it covers the unwanted spots that you have on your face. It really does a good job. So I highly recommend this concealer. So now you have to set all of the makeup. So this is the Nykaa Compact. I'm in the shade 02 Rose Beige. So this has a really good coverage. So if you have a clear skin and you don't want to apply foundation or concealer, then you can just put this and it evens your skin tone. The best part about this product is it has a mirror and it even comes with a sponge. You can use it anytime on the go. This is a very good product. I highly recommend this and it is really affordable too. You should really try this out. Now that you've set the face, we'll come to the eyes. My first product is, so for the eyebrows, I use the Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil is really affordable. I use the shade 03 Medium Brown. It comes with a spoolie. There are a lot of eyebrow pencils that are even more expensive, but this does a really great job. So I highly recommend y'all to try this out. This is under 100. So it's really affordable and it's a great product. Then coming to the eyeshadow palettes. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I really like. This is the Makeup Revolution Heart Chocolate Rose Gold palette. This palette has amazing shades. If you've seen my guessing the MRP of makeup products video, then you might have seen this. The shades are beautiful and you can create so many looks. So if you're a beginner and you want to keep trying out new looks, this eyeshadow palette helps a lot with it. It has a lot of shades, so you can do a really good night and daytime look. For a work day, this works, and then later you can add a little glitter and you can glam it up for night. And this has a highlighter too. So if you don't want to spend on a highlighter, you can use the highlighter that is in this palette. I highly recommend the eyeshadow palette. For eyeshadow, I would recommend the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow topper. It's in the shade 02 Diamond Dust. It's a silver color. I'll swatch it and show you. It's really beautiful. So you can just put this as your eyeshadow on the whole eyelid and it looks beautiful. For a glam look, like either a wedding or if you're going for a party, you can totally use this. And it's just for $1.99. You should really try this out. Next product is the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. It curls your lashes in an outstanding way. It literally gives an illusion of falsies. It is an amazing mascara and it does a great job. The wand is also really good. So if you can see the wand is also really good. So you can curl your lashes also really well. So I highly recommend this one. And I'm going to mention all the links in the description. They're all Nykaa links. This is available on Nykaa, so you can check it out and you can buy it from there. So I don't use an eyeliner, I only use a kajal. I don't have any recommendations for eyeliner, but here is the kajal that I really like. It's the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal. It quotes that it's waterproof and smudge proof, and I think I agree to it. This works really well and it does not smudge. I can wear this the whole day and it does not smudge. This is a kajal that I would really recommend. I have one more kajal. This is the K Beauty kajal, but I don't think this does a great job for me. But I've heard from a few people that it does a good job for them and it really works for them. So it actually depends because the smudging I think differs from person to person. I think you'll have to try it on your own, but I could really tell you that this one really works for me. I don't know about this one. I had bought this one because one of my friends told me it's a really good one, but this does not work for me, but this does wonders. Like, it does not smudge at all and I would highly recommend this one. So this is the Makeup Revolution Blush Palette. I really like this palette. So basically I bought this palette because I wanted like all the pink. So in this you can use those middle four for blush, you can use these two for highlighter, and you can use this one as a bronzer or a contour. So I think this palette is really good because you can do all three things in this palette. So one palette and you're good to go for all three things. So I use this palette a lot of times while traveling as for blush, contour and for highlighting. So this is a very good palette. It's by Makeup Revolution and it is really affordable if you go to see, because you can do three things using just one palette. So I highly recommend this one. Now coming to the highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I love this highlighter. This highlighter is amazing. This is in the shade Molten Gold. I'm gonna swatch this highlighter for you. Look at this. It's amazing. It's outstanding. When you use it on your face, it looks beautiful. It is really affordable. This highlighter is only for 550 rupees. And I have been using this for 7 to 8 months. And this does not get over. I think it's totally worth it. So this is an amazing highlighter. I highly recommend this highlighter. I have another highlighter. It's by Nykaa. It's the Glow Goals Shimmer Brick Want It All highlighter. So if you're a fan of a lot of colors together, then this is a very good highlighter. The pigment is also really good. It's beautiful. I really like it. So if you want a pink color highlight, it's really beautiful. So before showing you all the lipsticks, I want to recommend one really good lip balm. It's the Biotique Bio Berry Lip Balm. This lip balm is really good. It hydrates your lips really well. So if you're putting a lipstick or a liquid lipstick that is very dry on the lips, this will save your lips. You will not feel the dryness. So I highly recommend this lip balm. So before starting your makeup only, put this lip balm and then start your makeup. And so by the end, when you put the lipstick, your lips are already hydrated. So I have one liquid lipstick and one lipstick. This is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. It's in the shade 01 Bombay. This is a nude shade and I find it really pretty. So this is the shade. And the other, this is by MAC, it's in the shade Meher. It's not an affordable lipstick, but it's a very pretty color. So I recommend this. This is the color. The mini lipsticks of MAC are for, I think, 1000 rupees or something. I know it's on the pricier side as it's a mini lipstick, but I highly recommend this color because this color goes with everything, any outfit, and if you have this lip color, you're sorted, genuinely. So yeah, this is it. These were all the products. I order all my products from Nykaa because I highly trust Nykaa. I'll be putting all the links in the description, so if y'all like any of the products, y'all can buy it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.